every sunrise, with every whisper of the wind. Nature reminds us, even the chaos of life. There's beauty in stillness. Every leaf tells a story. Every drops of rain carries hope. Here, peace feels real. No noise, no rush. Just the quiet connection between the world and your soul. Nature is more than beauty, it's a reminder. That while we live, we must also protect. Because if nature fades away, where will we find comfort again? When you're tired, return to nature. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes and feel how beautiful it is to simply alive. In the end, we all return to her, to nature, the silent healer, the giver of life, and the keeper of peace.